So this morning we're going to make a butter pecan biscottis, and in the bowl I have 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar that's been packed. I have a 1/4 cup of butter, which is 1 stick of butter that's been cubed, and I also have a 1/4 cup of Crisco, butter flavored. You can use whatever you like. And then we're just going to cream that together, and while that's going, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to sift together our dry ingredients. So we've got 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and we've got 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Okay, so I'm just going to sift those together real quick here while our butter is creaming. You always want to sift it because oftentimes baking powder can have, and salt too for that matter, can have lumps in it. You don't want a lump of stuff in here. So we're going to let this cream here for a minute, and I'm going to add my eggs and vanilla. I've got 3 eggs that I've already cracked. I'm just going to add them one at a time in here. And then I'm going to add a nice teaspoon of vanilla. This is my homemade vanilla, and I keep this McCormick's pure vanilla extract container, and I just refill it when I need it. It's easy and handy than pouring from a gallon jug. Okay, so we're going to let that whip for a few minutes here. This is a really easy recipe. It goes together real quickly, and you can't fail with these. It's a no-fail recipe. I think you'll really enjoy it. Okay. And I'm just going to add my dry ingredients here. And I sift mine into a pie tin so that it's just easier to pour in there. There we go. And as soon as that incorporates, then I'm going to add a cup of pecans that I've broken up into pieces. I don't like to chop them because I think you get too many crumbles in there. I just like to break them up by hand. And a cup of butterscotch chips. Okay, so we're ready for that. Just going to add those in. Okay, that's it. Pretty easy, huh?